Hey, what's up, Rico gang? Welcome back to my channel. And today we back with more NFT education where we review NFT projects and we learn more about NFTs, but also see if these are something that we want to invest in. So today we got Crypto Tribe NFT. All right, now what stood out to me about this is, number one, this website is dark, but if you notice, you kind of hover around to lighten your way. I thought that was a pretty cool touch or whatever, but you know, first impressions matter, and they made a good first impression on me. But let's talk about this project, all right? This project is one of those strong community ones that give you a chance to make some passive income, and so I wanted to cover it. All right, so this is 7,070 unique tribe members, all right? After thousands of years hidden, we are finally opening the tribe to new members. Our Ethereum NFT is an interpretation of the community element long lost. We plan to restore this part of peace. Stay tuned for tribe events and giveaways. Pre-launch open soon. Stay tuned. All right. So here's the artwork. So far, so good. I like the artwork. I like what I see so far. Okay, but let's see. Welcome, Free Spirit. Crypto Tribe is an ancient NFT collection based on Ethereum. The tribe did not create the world, but nearly discovered it again. Becoming a tribe member is a lifetime bond, and it's worth it because when the tribe prospers, we all win, right? So what that tells me automatically, they're trying to put the money back into the owner's pockets. That's always a good thing, all right? Each tribe member is uniquely created and born to its own tribe family. No two are exactly alike, but there are heads of family to maintain peace and unity. Become a tribe member using the Ethereum blockchain, okay? Now, Tribe North Star, community. The main value of every tribe is the community and the community and unity. Our first main mission is to build a strong community, the strongest community in the metaverse. With your help, the tribe community will be united. Longevity, refined as a great duration of life. Our tribe had walked for thousands of years and will keep going as long as its members push forward. It's up to you. And then purpose, the final North Star of a tribe's success is a higher purpose. The tribe must choose its own destiny, uncover a new world at our final stage, all right? So let's talk about the roadmap, all right? The first light at 10%, tribe's first mark on the world, a unity has formed led by heads of the family. The first 10%, our forming tribe raffle will be made, and 10 lucky holders will receive an exclusive tribe canvas in their visual spirit from our creators. In addition, 5 chosen tribe members will receive an item from the gods. It might be a chief, okay? So boom, at 25%, signs of prosperity. A tribe forming is a prosperous tribe. We gather our own and come together to celebrate a new day. The tribe will take physical form as merchandise. A crypto tribe collection will be released. The gods will choose 20 tribe members for a full set giveaway. We will reveal our merch partners for a single collaboration only open for tribe members, all right? So, boom, 50%. Tribe voices formed. Who are our leaders? Who are our spirit guides? We celebrate our new forming tribe and unite under a single destiny. The tribe will hold a raffle. The spirits will choose a lucky holder who will receive a rare chief. Who will be the lucky winner? In addition, 10 members will receive NFTs. One of the 10 will receive Ethereum as well. Okay, so now they're giving out money, bro. Once again, now you're starting to see how you have some earning potential on this. All right, 75% shining a light back. The tribe is now united in spirit and in leadership. We will gather to decide the fate of the tribe. This time we will decide who to share our prosperities with. 5 Ethereum will be donated to a foundation. The tribe will choose it together in the tribe's name. And then at 100%, the avatars are resurrected. Now that the time is united, we march into the metaverse. Each member, a unique soul and body, joins us forever. Welcome. High prosperity, community, and purpose brings us celebrations, events. The tribe is now closed for another 1,000 years. Holding a card is guaranteed to be a part of sharing future plans. The team, once again, looks like a strong team. The artist, this looks like somebody I've seen before, and whenever you have a real artist behind this, then that also adds to it, all right? So as far now, let's go do our Twitter and Discord checks. All right, so you see on the Twitter that they pretty much, they have a pretty good amount of hype. You could kind of see, these are real people that are trying to win these or whatever. So that's what I always look for. Also go over into Discord. So whitelist spots, they've got a bunch of whitelist spots. Make sure if you want in on this project, make sure you go check it out and see if you can join this Discord, which I will have the links below to see if you can maybe get in on one of these whitelist spots. Take a look at the general chat. Yeah, this is legit. This is legit. Everything I'm seeing here is 100% legit. This project to me stands out because they're actually like thinking about going forward in the metaverse with these avatars, all right? And so that's gonna be crazy, especially if you had actually seen the movie Avatar. Then that's pretty crazy, bro. But as far as this project, man, I think this is something we definitely need to keep our eyes on. I'm gonna have all their links in the description below. Let me know what y'all think about this project. Love y'all, man. Let's get it.